I'm Maurica. I'm chasing the endless summer. I love summertime in Canada. In this series, we are cooking in Burlington, the land of poutine and beaver tails. So welcome. We're actually getting ready for the dinner party, and so this is one of my favorite parts. I want to look good, and more importantly, I want to feel good. So I'm sharing healthy recipes from my favorite doctors' cookbooks. So joy is the key to life, and we have got the Moroccan lentil soup going. The onions are just nice and soft, so we can go ahead and add the other key ingredients. So I'm going to go ahead and put in our vegetable stock. Oh yeah, the chocolate, the cocoa powder. Oh yeah. Get it in. The trick is to be quick, which is your specialty.
This is not working at all.
And to be light on your little fingertips.
Mine seems a little bigger.
That's good, that's good. And it's time for our kale and mango salad with our ginger, sesame, orange dressing. Now the dressing has a bunch of ingredients in it, and that's what makes it fresh and that's what makes it healthy. Every moment, every meal has the potential to be our best day ever.